Mission Control 2 is one of McLaren's key sponsorship assets in the McLaren Technology Centre, a dynamic sponsorship platform. With easily updated content, it remains a fresh, exciting experience for the many sponsors and visitors it attracts. vStream were tasked with telling the story of data and how SAP helped McLaren become one of the most successful Formula One teams of all time. Not only that, but it needed to reach a huge, online, global audience while also remaining highly exclusive in an offline world. vStream created Mission Control 2, an offline space housed in the McLaren Technology Centre in Woking, outside of London. The space created a futuristic version of Mission Control, the room where SAP and McLaren truly meet. With a gesture, our tour guide brings a holographic representation of the track data to life for our VIP guests, where the science fiction of the movies becomes real. The journey continues to the Pitwall, where the experience becomes interactive, allowing a guest to make the decisions of a trackside engineer to guide their car to a winning position. The glass touch wall uses switchable glass to create an interactive surface, turning the McLaren Technology Centre into an interactive data zone, displaying other areas where SAP software is integrated across the organisation. Object recognition tables create a tactile element to the experience, allowing visitors to get their hands on real objects that make up the McLaren F1 car, before using augmented reality to reveal the various SAP interfaces in use in the IT department. Mission Control 2 is then recreated as a dynamic website, engaging tens of thousands of McLaren fans with new, interactive content on every race day. With a competitive aspect to the interaction and social media integration, a dwell time of over 8 minutes and unprecedented revisits meant that this was one of the most successful activations ever commissioned by SAP with McLaren.